I think we all know that there's something happening right now in the world that is about women power rising up and women starting to go, we can do this. And I'm so excited by this change because I think it's going to drip into everything.
Now just go for it. Now go for it.
You wish as a parent that you had done some self-work before you have your children. Things would be different.
It's about you finding your place so that you can find your voice and you and your partner can have the best experience that you can have.
Hi, sweetheart. Go. There's your baby.
If I took away everything I've learned, I would be left with this one word: surrender.